Today is Friday, March 19th. Happy Friday!
It's almost the weekend!
It is the weekend, baby girl. So what are we doing? How are we kicking off our weekend?
Making blueberry muffins for Daddy!
We're making blueberry muffins for Daddy. Why?
Because that's his favorite!
Alrighty, are you ready to get started?
Yeah, we have some new cupcake liners, right?
Yes, we do. Alright, let's go!
Let's do this! And let's get baking! And let's get cooking!
Alright, Pacie, what do we need to bake these blueberry muffins for Daddy?
So we need some heat, oven to 400F.
Okay.
2, stir with a spoon.
Okay.
And 3, you know what the last one is.
Bake. Okay, and then what about up here? What do we need here?
2 dash cup of water.
Okay, so that would be 2/3 cup of water.
1 half cup vegetable oil and 2 eggs.
Okay. Awesome.
Eggs!
Oh, be careful. And we have all of that, right?
Baby.
Okay, let's get started.
Little goody. That's what you always have to have in the morning sometimes.
Yep.
Especially on the weekend. Do you know what I have on the weekend?
What?
Pancakes!
So first we're going to heat up the oven to 400 degrees. And again, kids, make sure you're using the oven with your parents.
Yeah,
You don't want anybody to get hurt.
Yeah, before your fingers burn off.
So it is at 400. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna see. You ready to crack the egg and put it in the bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Good job. Ooh, good job. Okay, make sure not to get any shells here. You can put it in the shell in here.
I think I broke some on the stool. Oh, it's okay.
I'll clean up whatever.
Oh, you little baby.
You're so silly. Okay, there, it cracked already. Woo! Cool, good job. All right, Pacie, you ready to put in the mix inside the bowl?
Okay, have me.
The whole thing, the whole bag, nice and slow.
Okay. It's a powder. It's Flower Wonderland.
Yeah, you got it? Okay. Oh. Okay, pour in the water there, Pace. Here, I'll get it. All right, pour in the water. Be careful.
I know, I'm trying to wait for you to move your hand. Spicy Flower Wonderland, sorry.
Okay. And I will pour in the
Blueberries?
blueberries.
Cool. It looks like cherry.
A little bit. Okay.
Because it has red in it.
All right, and then now we need a half a cup of
Oil!
All right, Pacie, you ready to mix it all together?
Yeah, this is my first time doing it all by myself.
Yes. Okay, Mommy will help you turn it on. So we'll put it at a low setting. Okay, just hold it around. Hold the bowl, okay? Good job. There we go.
Ooh, it looks so purpley now.
Yep.
Now it's migrating to purple.
Yep. It's going to mix into muffins. We're going to make them into muffins. Right, Pace?
Nice doing that by myself now.
Okay, try it by yourself. Nice and slow. Good job. Good job, Pace. You having fun?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It looks like blueberry icing.
Okay. Alrighty, friends. We got the mix ready. And
Yes.
now I'm going to have Pacie line our cupcake pan with cupcake liners. Okay, so start it off.
Ba 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 ba
and we're gonna let it sit there and bake for 22 minutes. We'll be seeing. You had an outfit change?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm cold.
Okay. All right, let's check our muffins.
Open it, just
Wow, look, they're so golden brown. All right, Big, stay far away. It's hot, remember.
I'm gonna stay all the way.
So Mommy's gonna go get her oven mitts and pull the muffins out. Hey, Pacie, what do you think of our muffins?
Great! Holy moly, wackadoodle!
They smell so good.
And my dad can smell it from there to here.
He can smell it from the living room?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna let him cool down and we're gonna enjoy him tonight for our movie night. Oh yeah.
And you know what we're gonna watch? Let me hear you!
What are we gonna watch?
Honey, we shrunk ourselves!
Yes. So every Friday night we've been watching some 80s, 90s movies with Pacie that her daddy and I enjoyed as kids, and we're just sharing them with our little one.
Boomer!
Sooners.
We are boomers, and see you later.
Alrighty, Pacie.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. Bye. This is and this is subscribe. Click the bell, please.